Welcome to EasyLearn Academy.
In previous video, we have learned about short vowels. In today's video, we are going to learn long vowels. Okay. We can see the three person. The first one, second one, and the third one. The first is the long vowel. We have to add one alif. We have to add fatḥa and one alif. It's a long vowel. So when we add this ta, when we add alif, it will become ta, short vowel. When we add alif to ta, it will become long vowel. Ta, ta, ta. Okay. The second one is also same. In the short vowel for ta, we will add only waaw, a small waaw, a look-alike small waaw. It will become two. It will become two. But when we add waaw to it, it will become a long vowel. Two, two, two. And the last one, here also the kasra is there, and when we add ya to it, it will become the long vowel. Like for example, ta, when we add kasra, it will become three, and when we add ya, it will become three, three, three. Okay. Now we can read some words. First is ta, طائرة طائرة تو أطور 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 طي بطيخ بطيخ بطيخ. Again I'm repeating. The first one is طائرة طائرة طائرة. The second one is أطور أطور أطور. And the last one is بطيخ بطيخ بطيخ. Next, position of the letter ta. The how we can write when it changes the positions. Can you see the different kind of ta here when it changes the position of this letter? Okay, here حرف الطاء في أول الكلمة. Okay, when it comes to first, how we can write? Can you see here? Tomatum, tomatum, tomatum. Look at here. To. We have to add a little bit, a long tail, and we have to add it to the next letter. Next, when it comes to middle, batiq, we have to add two little tails to front and the at last, first and last, we have to add a small tail, and we have to join the letters in between. To the first letter and the last letter, we have to add a little bit of line, and we have to join the letters. And when it comes last, we have to add a small line, and we have to write as it is. Okay, you can see. Okay, once again, ta, tu, twi, tu, twa, two, three, tu, ta, tu, three. Next, how to the writing position? Okay, and ta, plus alif to, two plus waaw two, three plus yaw three, طائرة طبل طماطم. Okay, thank you.
If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to EasyLearn Academy.